So today I'm about to show you how to manage user access roles in NotebookLM. First, open NotebookLM and jump directly into the notebook you want to collaborate on. Look at the top right hand corner of your screen and click on the share button. A sharing panel will pop up. Type your teammate's email address into the add people field. By default, any new collaborator you add will be assigned to the viewer view. Viewers can fully interact with the chat, read uploaded sources, and listen to your audio overviews, but they cannot add new source documents or edit your pinned notes. To give them more control, click the role drop-down menu next to their email and select Editor. Editors can upload files, add notes, and adjust settings just like the owner, but they cannot delete the notebook entirely or revoke others' users' access. And that's it. That's how to manage user access roles in NotebookLM. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.